Hey Bearcats, get ready to take your exam with confidence using the Kurzweil ReadTheWeb extension with Lockdown Browser. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to use this text-to-voice tool on a Mac device. Begin by opening Lockdown Browser by selecting the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of your screen, typing Lockdown Browser, and selecting it from the search results. Sign in if prompted. Select the globe icon on the toolbar to open the Lockdown Browser About box. The globe icon is located at the top of the browser near the URL. In the Lockdown Browser About box, select Open Extensions Manager. In the Extensions Manager, select On for the Kurzweil ReadTheWeb extension, then select Apply. You need to turn on this extension and sign in every time you start Lockdown Browser session. In the pop-up window, enter the username and password provided by Services for Students with Disabilities and select Login. The extension will display on the screen. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam, then select the exam to begin taking it. To start ReadTheWeb, select the play button and then the pause button, or ReadTheWeb will start reading from the top of the screen instead of where the cursor is. You can now place the cursor on any question or answer choice and select play to hear it read out loud.
Which of the following was not a reason for the slow immigration into Texas in the 17th and 18th centuries?
When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-294-3512 or disability@shsu.edu.